Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and I'm here to bring you TMMK Fitness's recipe of the month. So for March, we are focusing on this delicious buffalo chicken salad. I chose this recipe because I love anything buffalo, and the more buffalo sauce, the better. So here's what you're gonna need: mayo, hot sauce. I actually went with the actual buffalo wing sauce, that's the Frank's. But I've also made this with just regular Frank's as well, so either should be good. For the purpose of simplicity for today's video, I got canned chicken, so you can use this if you want, but I would recommend probably going a healthier route using baked chicken or just boil some chicken at home to cook it for this recipe. It's gonna be a little bit less sodium than what you get in the can, so I would recommend that. You're gonna need an onion, your choice, some celery, and some baby carrots. And we're going to eat our chicken salad today on some hearts of romaine, so I have a few of those today. So the first thing that we're gonna do, if you look at the recipe downstairs over top of the water fountain where we have it listed, it'll tell you 1/4 cup of mayo. That recipe is actually for 2 servings, and I plan on sharing this with people, so I'm not measuring, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit more than 1/4 cup in here. Okay, and then our hot sauce, also 1/4 cup. I'm tempted to put the whole bottle in, but I won't. But the hot sauce is just to taste. We're gonna go ahead and mix that up good and have that ready. All right. So you can use a chopper for your onions and carrots and celery. However, I find that just hand chopping it is a little bit easier. I made this once before and my chopper got it a little bit too small. So today I pre-chopped just by hand. So I've already got our onions and celery complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. On the recipe, it calls for 1 baby carrot. If you like carrots, you can do whatever you want. It's not like we're baking a cake and everything has to be precise. So just fix it however you want. I think shredded carrots would probably work well in this recipe also. All right, throw some of those in. And then last, we have our chicken. So the chicken in the can does break up easily, so you can make your chunks smaller as you're mixing everything up. But if you are using chicken that you've made on the stove, you'll either want to use your chopper for the chicken, or you will want to just cut it up a little bit finer. So we're gonna mix all of that up, get that covered really well. You could garnish this with blue cheese crumbles or maybe blue cheese dressing. So, and then hearts of romaine lettuce. I love getting these. They last forever in your refrigerator. So it's a good lettuce to get. Going to be a little better for you than just iceberg. All right, and there we go. We have our buffalo chicken salad. Let us know if you try it out.